In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes with text-to-speech and speech-to-text in OneNote. If you've ever wanted to capture ideas quickly without typing, or you need a hands-free way to take notes during a meeting or lecture, OneNote's built-in dictation makes it simple. We'll walk through how to turn your voice into clean, formatted notes, and I'll share a few tips to get accurate results as you go. Start by opening OneNote and making sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want your notes to appear. On the Home tab, look for the Dictate button with the microphone icon. When you click it for the first time, your device may ask for permission to use the microphone. Approve that prompt so OneNote can hear you. If you're in a browser, you might also see a permission request at the top of the window. Allow access there as well. Once dictation is active, speak clearly at a steady pace. Aim for natural conversation speed. There's no need to over-enunciate. As you talk, you'll see your words appear in real time in the note. This immediate feedback is helpful because you can spot and correct mistakes on the fly. If something doesn't come out right, pause your speech briefly, fix the text with your keyboard, and continue. To keep your notes neat without touching the keyboard, use simple voice commands for punctuation and formatting. Say new line to move the cursor down to the next line. Say period to end a sentence. Say comma for a quick pause. And when you're asking something, say question mark to insert the correct punctuation. These commands help your notes read cleanly and save time in editing. For the best accuracy, try recording in a quiet space and keep the microphone a comfortable distance from your mouth, close enough to hear you clearly but not so close that you're breathing into it. If you have a headset mic, you'll usually get better results than with a built-in laptop mic. Also, avoid speaking too long without a pause. Short, complete thoughts transcribe more reliably. Remember that the dictation tool types exactly where your cursor sits, so if you intend to add a new section or headline, place the cursor first and then begin speaking. As you get comfortable, mix voice commands with natural speech to build structured notes quickly. That's all you need to start taking fast, accurate notes using your voice in OneNote. Give it a try the next time you're capturing ideas and enjoy a smoother, more efficient note-taking workflow.